say you have a table of data that looks like this, and you want to do some sort of quick table calculation like running total, for example, and you want it to follow a specific path, maybe only here and then come back around and squiggle all the way down and just terminate in this one section. Maybe sometimes you want it to go all the way through here, all the way to the bottom, or maybe you want it to go all the way across. Well, how do you actually control that? Well, let me show you how you do that in this video. So say I have a data set that looks like this. And by the way, if you want to build this, the data set is in the description below. Simply drop all these dimensions from the left side to construct this part. And then we simply drop sales into text. That's it. Really, really basic. So now say I wanted to do a running total. I can change this one by going quick table, running total. Now, when I do that, you can see all the numbers shift, but it's not clear exactly where they're going, where they stop, where they finish. Here's what you can do. If you right click this one, you're going to see edit table calculation. And when you click on that, you're actually going to see it highlight. So table, whenever you see the word table, it's talking about the full table. That's what it means, which means it's going to go from start to finish. If you see the word pane, if I click on that now, pane is looking about just a subsection of that table. Now, whether it's a bar chart, line charts, whatever, if it's in these kind of box sections, that's what tables, panes, and cell mean. Cell is the individual point. So if I click on that, you see it's only talking about that part, right? When you get in here, you're going to see the actual direction. Let me just zoom in. Across, down, across then down, down then across. All right, so let me show you how this works. So if I click table across, it's summing up this way. Okay, so it's taking this number, then adding it to the next one, and so on. This is actually already the running total applied. If I go down, it's now going this way. Okay, so really, really obvious. Now, if I do across then down, what it's doing is it's going all the way across, right? It's coming all the way back to the beginning, starting again, all the way back to the beginning, starting again, and so on, right? So what you'll find on this bottom, the last figure on your bottom right is the total for the whole thing, okay? Down then across means it's going this way. Down first, starts again on the top, right? So it's taking that last number, adding it to whatever is here on the top, and starting again. And that just repeats all the way across your data set. Now, if you just want it to be in that one pane, it'll be in here. If you want it to go just down in the pane, across then down means it does this section right here. Pane down then across, and so on, and then down to cell. Okay, so that is what it means by tables, panes, and how you can control it to see which direction it's supposed to go. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I teach all of this on my website, so be sure to check that out at Jellyman Education. The link is in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.